What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach Grace how to street race. Are you so excited? Yes. She's been with me before when I street race, but she's never street raced herself. So she's gonna be over here in the Evo 10. I've got my Evo 8 behind me. We're gonna take them out and I'm gonna teach her the ways of street racing. I'm super excited to teach you.
I am too.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm super excited to go out with her. So let's get the Evo 8 warm. Evo 10's already warm. We just got gas and we'll see what happens. So let's go, baby. How excited are you?
I'm excited.
Your Evo honestly sounds really good.
Oh, I know.
All right, baby, you ready to learn how to street race?
Yes.
Nervous?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
You look good over there in that Recaro.
Oh, thanks, baby.
I'm excited to teach you. You've been with me enough that I think you already kind of know how to street race.
Yeah, I feel like.
And this is a dual clutch, so you don't even have to worry about shifting.
Yeah.
Just pull the paddle.
I'm curious to see how different it is if I was in automatic.
Are you gonna race an automatic?
Probably not. But I'm curious. I haven't driven it like on main roads in automatic, so I don't know how fast it goes.
Are you gonna gap my Evo? No?
No, your Evo's scary fast.
All right, well, let's go out and I will teach you everything you need to know. All right, floor it. There you go.
That's like pretty enjoyable.
How was that rev limiter?
I got it to the rev.
To the rev. No, that was good, babe.
Yeah?
You ripped this thing. See, it's not terrible off the line. Like, it takes a second to engage, but then once it engages, it does pretty well. Yeah, so once you get to a straightaway, we're gonna slow down. Okay. You're gonna downshift a few gears. You're gonna pretend like I'm next to you. And then when I count to 3, you're gonna floor it, okay? But you gotta make sure you're high enough and up in the RPMs that you'll be in boost.
When I floor it?
Yeah.
Wait, say those words one more time.
You'll wanna make sure before you floor it that you're high enough up in the RPMs that you'll be in boost.
I'm in like second or third?
Yeah. All right, so slow down. This Prius can go around you. All right, so this is 40, so you're gonna downshift. All right, so you're in second?
No, I'm in third.
All right, and now when I count to 3, you're gonna floor it, all right?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! All right, slow down. That was good.
Yeah?
You jumped a little early.
I know, I got nervous.
You went on 2. So say you're racing somebody without a passengers, then you're gonna honk the horn. So like today when we race, and I get the Evo 8,
honking?
I'm gonna honk. I
Well,
won't.
aren't we talking on the phone?
Yeah, I guess I could do that, or we'll practice honking, and once you hear the 3rd honk, then you go.
That's scary.
No, you got this.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna be in second. You're gonna go up to 40, then I'm gonna count to 3.
40 RPMs?
No, 40 miles an hour.
So I want to be in second going 40 miles an hour?
Yep.
Good grief, that's a fast race. Okay.
All right, so go into second. All right. All right, now let off.
Okay.
All right, now on 3. 1, 2, 3, go! There you go. Good job, babe.
God, it just goes so fast.
She's a
Maybe I was
little.
more depressed this morning because I was driving my truck.
She's a little rocket ship. All right, that was good. I think you're ready to tackle the Evo 8, babe.
There's so many cars out. Okay. Ready to be scared, babe?
Not really.
I hate the sun being in my eyes. Ready, babe?
That was good. No.
I didn't go as hard as I usually go.
I was gonna say you could have gone harder than
I was
that.
scared that you were gonna start yelling at me.
No.
Like last time.
I didn't yell at you.
Yeah, you did. You were like, brakes, brakes, brakes!
Yeah, because you flew up to a stop sign.
Yeah, did I stop?
That's just not how to drive.
Babe, I stopped.
But cornering, I don't think you'd be able to scare me.
Oh. Well, I'll take that as a challenge.
unless you drifted it, then I'd be pooping
yeah,
myself.
I don't know about all that.
Yo, I don't think I've ever done a point of view video for you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy this view. If you do, you'll have to let me know, because honestly, it's super easy. Just throw the GoPro on the head and call it a day. So I've got Grace. I don't know if you guys can see her in the rear view, but she's in the Evo 10, I'm in the Evo 8, and we're gonna go race and see how it goes. I'm actually really excited. I don't think she's ever raced anybody before, so this will be a fun little experiment for her. Oh, look at that sexy Evo. She rips. Oh, I love this car. It just never gets old. How's it going? I like your Evo. Oh, thanks. Do I look super goofy? Yeah? That's okay. That's a good looking car going down the road, babe. It's so good looking. Are you gonna gap me? Probably. You're probably gonna gap me. I'm slow. Got you, babe. Woo! That Evo 10's actually kind of quick. Let's see who wins the race. So I'm gonna give Grace a call so that way we can talk. Roxy Foxy. There's a reason why she has that name, if you guys were wondering.
Hello?
Hey, babe. All right, line up with me.
Okay.
All right. All right, line up. All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh, no, baby, hold on. Douchebag.
Yeah, they didn't like that. All right, ready?
Yep.
We got cock blocked on that one. All right, slow back down, go back into second.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm in second.
All right.
Baby, why is your car so much faster than mine?
What'd you say?
I said, why is your car so much faster than mine?
I tried to give you a little bit of the jump on that one.
So, I feel like you should just count 1, 2, 3 because I'm hearing double horns and it messes me up.
Okay, I'll count down then. All right, I'm gonna let you get the jump and then I'll chase you down, okay?
Okay.
All right, line up with me, come on. All right, ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna brake boost.
Oh,
All right, 1, 2, 3. Good job, babe.
Did I do good?
Yeah, that was good. How'd that feel?
It was good. This is fun. I see why you like to do it.
Yeah, see, it's kind of enjoyable, huh?
Yeah, are we going again?
All right. Yeah, we're gonna go all the way down and then flip back around and we'll do it again.
Okay. Baby, does it make you nervous riding next to me?
No, I know you know what you're doing.
I don't.
Well, I think you do. You got this. You're good.
Thanks, babe. It's kind of scary, but it's really fun.
Yeah, you see why I like it?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready?
yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3. What?
I said I let you in. I let off before you got to me.
Wait, you let off?
Yeah, like as you were right next to me.
Oh,
But
that was good, baby.
yeah?
You want to do one more? Or you good?
Yeah, no, one more.
All
Should
right,
I
flip
flip
back
a
around.
bitch right here?
Yep. Last one before the neighbors get mad in Mexico.
Yeah, your car is insanely loud.
Oh, look at you boosting. Good job. All right, I'll honk again, okay? All right, ready? All right.
That time I didn't let off.
Good job, babe.
That's so fun.
That was awesome. You did so good, baby. I'm really impressed.
Are you?
Yeah, you did so good.
I think it's because the car's fast.
Give
Not
the
me.
people your thoughts. How do you feel about street racing in Mexico?
Well, honestly, I feel like it's very fun.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I see why people like it. It's really
If
fun.
somebody has a similar car, will you street race them for the YouTube channel?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So you heard Grace. If you have a car that you want to race against the Evo 10 and you're in Mexico, aka
Against me.
Colorado, let us know. Because
Yeah.
Grace is gonna gap you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby, that
Well,
was
good job.
really fun.
Yeah, I'm super proud of you, baby. That was really good.
Thanks, Boo.
I'm so proud.
That was funner than I thought it would be. I'm glad we went to where there wasn't any traffic.
Yeah. See what I mean? That's a good little spot, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, no cops or anything in Mexico.
None of those.
Yeah, none of that. So I've got a Hellcat behind me. I don't know if he's gonna try and race me, but I mean, I know I'll lose, but I mean, I'll still give it a shot. Yeah, it's definitely a Hellcat. See if he wants to play. Ooh! I just beat, oh, it's a 392. It's not a Hellcat, but ooh, let's go. Extra racing for you guys. That was not planned, but I'm really glad that happened. That was sick. Man, what a sad day for that dude. Oh, he's got the same tires as me, the Firehawk Indy 500s. That's hilarious. I thought that was a Hellcat, and if I had just beat a Hellcat in a race, dude, I'd have been way too excited, but that was still pretty good. That was so much fun, guys. Honestly, it was really cool because I haven't raced the Evo 10 versus the Evo 8, and it's really cool to see kind of how they're matched. Honestly, the Evo 10 never stops pulling. Like with me, I have to shift. With the Evo 10, it just kind of always stays in power. So that was really fun, baby. I'm so proud of you.
It was so fun.
You did so good.
Thanks, baby.
Do you love street racing?
Yeah.
Do you want to beat a bunch of Subarus?
Yeah.
Well, if
Eat
you
'em
guys
up.
if you guys have a Subaru and you want to race Grace, let me know, because then I'll just be in the passenger seat filming.
Oh God.
And you get to gap
That
people,
sounds
babe.
scary.
No, it'll be so fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to see more videos with Grace in it in the future, let us know, because I love filming them with her. That was so much fun, street racing the Evos. That's so cool, street racing your Evo 10 versus my Evo 8. Like,
It was really fun.
what's better than that? So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow both of us on Instagram, because we're pretty cool, you know?
Yeah.
Like, we went skating the other night and that was really fun. So you guys should definitely go follow us on Instagram. If you guys want to see more videos on the 10 and the 8, let me know what you guys want to see, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.